Welcome back to the forge. So recently we bought out another workshop and I bought the whole contents basically of this old man's forge. And this is one of the leg vices that was in there. I think there was 5 vices in total, but this is the biggest and it's the one I'm going to hold on to. So it's got a 6-inch jaw. It's nice and low, which means you can get above it with a hammer and whatever top tools you're playing with, which is quite nice. But it's a little bit wobbly, so we thought we'd rustle up a quick stand, which will also keep Kristen entertained for the afternoon. So that's this afternoon's job, so stay tuned. Okay, so Kristen's cut out all the different components. We've got a chunk of universal beam or RSJ for the leg, for the upright, to hold this stand together. I've got an offcut of some chunky channel section, which is going to be the top little platform on the leg vice stand. We managed to pick up one of these, which is like a hardy hole, effectively, which is going to sit in there and allow us to use like stake and anvil tools on the leg vice without having to clamp them up in the jaw, so that'd be quite handy. We've got a piece of 2-inch plate then, which is going to be the base plate. So it should be pretty heavy duty and pretty robust, this leg vice stand, when it goes together, and take a bit more of a pounding. And also help doing things like upsets and tenons on the ends of bars when they're in the vice. So that's the plan anyway. So I'm going to glue these all together and then we'll take a look at it when it's finished. Well, there we go. There's a finished leg vise stand. It's pretty heavy duty. It's nice and heavy. It's not going anywhere. The important thing is that nice 2-inch block underneath will allow me to clamp stuff up, knock it against the stand, and use it a bit like an anvil if I'm going to actually do some upsetting rather than smashing a concrete floor. Also, we've got that hardy socket fitted on the back there, which means I can use anvil stakes, creasing irons and stuff like that, pick irons, and we can chuck those in and we can use that, which is nice and handy. This is going to get fitted up the other end of the workshop. Also needs cleaning and painting, but that's a job for another day. But I'm pretty happy with the result. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this, remember to click like and subscribe and hit that notification tab, and we'll see you next time on Born and Forge.